Okay guys, this is how to start to make a table for project. Then after making and then painting, see, we can sell it in the garage. This is my materials for my project for this 2025 project. Okay, this is how to do a table from my project before I sell it in the garage. So this is our materials for that one, for this, and this is our materials on the top. It's totally measuring, but because of 8 past of the evening, it's windy and little bit cloudy and clear, so maybe it's too noisy if I cut this today. So for tonight we need to measuring first, so by next weekend we can start another new table project about this. Okay, so it's slowly prepare by measuring. See, 30 by half of 15, 16. So I divide into 2 to start by next weekend or Friday or Saturday. We finish this before we paint this. So this is our other materials for the next project after this. So this is also up for sale. So I make this another project to finish today, just to make a tower shelves, ski tower shelves. Okay, these two. The other one is 5 feet and the other one is 4 feet high. So it's okay. So this is the plan. Okay, this is our materials. Okay, so for now we need to pack up now to prepare for rest or shooting in the our basketball court. Okay, to make sweating for exercise for tonight. Okay, so this is the other finished product. We need to paint that if I have available paint now for next week. Okay, so that's the finish yesterday. Okay, and CDC yesterday also. So see you guys. Hopefully you like it, this vlog for tonight. And so all of you do is click the button in the notification bell for upcoming uploaded video for tomorrow to my YouTube channel, and subscribe. Okay, see you guys and good night.